According to World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Survey 2017, India ranked 154th in the world in ease of registering property. Land transactions in India are prone to fraud, forgery, and delays of all sorts. Title guarantees are difficult to provide. Transactions take time, given that in every transaction, the government, the private corporations, and the individuals are mostly involved. Now, in situations like these, blockchain can really help. Blockchain works best in situations where auditability and immutability are the key criteria and requirement, and where multiple parties are involved. Yes, all of these characteristics apply very well to land records. Each land asset can be brought onto blockchain as a token, secured using cryptography, and complete ownership trail can be created even retrospectively on blockchain. Several countries such as Ukraine, Russia, India, Brazil, etc. are planning to move their land record systems gradually on blockchain, and certain other countries such as Georgia have already taken huge lead. Welcome to a system where owners' rights will be protected, transactions will be safer, faster, easier to run, and dispute resolution, if any, will be fairly black and white. Welcome to land records on blockchain.